How to fix your Windows license will expire soon on your Windows. Hello everyone, and let's get started. If you have been facing this issue, here are two solutions that you can try. So for the step 1, you need to open your services and make sure that the system is run as administrator. So once you have opened it, you have to go to this specific W section whereby you will see an option called as Windows License Manager Service. Once you find it, you have to click on it and then go to its properties. For that, just select it, right click and go to the properties. From the startup type, disable it and then tap on apply and OK. Once this is done, you can close the services and then restart your computer. This should probably fix the issue. However, if it does not, let's move on to the second solution. So for that, you need to open your command prompt, which will re-register your key and refresh the key management. Once you have opened the command prompt, make sure to run it as administrator and run the command slmgr-rearm and hit the enter button. And that's all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button.